Welcome, it's Dan the Cleaning Man channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic. Microfiber towels versus paper towels. Which one is truly the best for cleaning? Let's break it down. First up, let's talk absorbency. Microfiber towels are designed to trap and hold more liquid, making them super absorbent. Paper towels, on the other hand, soak up spills too, but not nearly as much as microfiber. But what about effectiveness? Microfiber towels excel at grabbing dust, dirt, and grime. Their fibers are engineered to pick up and hold onto small particles, which makes them great for deep cleaning. Paper towels, while good for quick wipes and light spills, tend to push dirt around more than they pick it up. Now, cost. At first glance, paper towels seem more affordable. You buy a roll, use it, and toss it out. But the costs can add up quickly, especially if you're constantly restocking. Microfiber towels might be a higher upfront investment, but since they're reusable, they last for years. Over time, you'll save money by not having to buy disposable paper towels as often. One major consideration: the environmental impact. Paper towels contribute significantly to waste. They're single-use, meaning every time you toss one, you're adding to landfill waste. Microfiber towels, however, are reusable and machine washable, which makes them a more eco-friendly option. But keep in mind, microfiber is synthetic, so you'll want to wash them properly to reduce microplastic pollution. Now, when should you use each? Paper towels are convenient for quick, dirty tasks where you don't want to reuse a towel. But for regular cleaning, microfiber towels are a more effective and sustainable choice. So, which is better? It depends on your priorities. If you want a convenient disposable option, paper towels work. But if you're looking for an eco-friendly, cost-effective, and highly absorbent cleaning tool, microfiber towels are the way to go. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment with your cleaning preferences, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning tips.